Hey, it's me, Curtis P. As the title says above me, this is the Apple Watch Series 4. Let's open it up. It's pretty simple, just like that. So, on the back, we have a bunch of stuff. This is the Series 4 Space Gray, the aluminum case, and it also has the sports loop. So, not the band, because I have some sports bands already for my Apple Watch. This is a Series 0, the very first generation Apple Watch. So yeah, it's a big upgrade from 0 to 4. Anyway, so yeah, here we go. There's a pull tab. We're gonna pull on that. It kind of rips. That's a thing. Let's just throw that over there. There's a really nice emblem on the front that just says Apple Watch. Apple Watch. Yeah, great. There's cool little like pull tabs on the back. This is kind of new this year. They've kind of switched this around. So do you just, I think you just grab it. How do you open this? I don't know how this works. Apparently I'm not smart enough to figure this out. Oh, okay, so you just pull them over. They're like little tabs. You pull them over, you flip it open. This is so cool. This is such cute product, like packaging. Because it's just got this whole thing inside and then it's got like the actual Apple Watch. So as you can see, there's all this like cool stuff in there. So let's just take that off. This wrapping paper, it's very cool. That's a fun way of wrapping this up because for the first time, there's actually two things in the package. We have the watch band and then we actually have the watch face, which is kind of interesting. So I'll get to the watch band in a second here. So the first thing, this is the watch face, obviously. Let me pop it open. It's pretty simple here. Inside we have designed by Apple in California. This is quite nice, pretty simple. We also have a little charging brick, which is cool, and then the 5-watt power adapter. And then of course, the watch, which comes in this really cute little, it's like a little pouchy thing, right? Like this has kind of been going around online, which is like, it's this little like felt little pouch that it sits in, which is super, super cute. So let's just pop this open here. Let's pull this, can I get this out of here? There we go. Slides out in this direction. There it is. This is the actual watch. This is the like space gray version in aluminum, which is quite nice. It is the same size as my old one. It's not the same size, my apologies. This is 44, this is 42, I think is the same thing, but they fit the same bands, which is quite nice. So yeah, that's super fun. We're gonna put that right there for right now. I'm just gonna use, I can get rid of that for right now. What am I even doing? Let's open up this, which is just a regular Apple band. There's really nothing overly fancy about it. It's kind of interesting they're packaging it in this way. It's kind of like, because in the old ones, like when I got this Apple Watch, it came in this like really nice like plastic thing. It was very beautiful because this is the stainless steel, so it's a little bit more expensive. I went with something cheaper this year. Just because it still is good and it's a little lighter, and because it's cheaper, it's like half the price, I can just buy a new watch next year. So the reason I haven't upgraded is because I'm like, I spent a lot of money on this watch way back in the day, so I didn't want to buy a new one. We have some more product marketing stuff here. This is the actual band itself, so it just kind of comes in this, which you can, we'll just rip that out of there. Perfect. Nice. I always love the packaging on Apple's products. It's always really nice. It's like it's a fun experience, right? I think that's why we like doing this sort of thing, because if it wasn't fun, then I wouldn't record these types of videos. So let's open it up. There's a little plastic piece inside there, but yeah, it's super simple. It just sort of like flips around over top of itself. We can put this on here. I don't know the exact way this is supposed to go, so my apologies if I put it on upside down, which I think I was just about to do. Pretty sure it goes like this. I have another one of these sports bands in yellow already. I just didn't, and I have the actual like other sports band as well. So yeah, otherwise it looks really nice. Let's pull off my current generation Apple Watch. So they are again like the exact same size. It's funny, this one is stainless steel, so it's like, it's heavy, right? It just feels heavy. This is it feels light. This is very nice and light. you know, which is great. I like that. I like the idea that it's light. I love these bands. They're really nice. Let me see if I can, it's stuck. There we go. I think I put this on wrong. Is it upside down? It's totally upside down because I think it's supposed to go that way. Anyway, it's fine. I always do this with like all of my watch bands because I have a bunch of different ones. I always take them off and I'm like, I don't know which way they're supposed to go. It'd be great if Apple just put like a little tiny marker on the inside that's like, this one goes on the top, this one goes on the bottom, but yeah, I don't know. Unless they already do and I'm just not capable of reading it in that way. But let's take this off. There we go. Try to slip this on the proper way this time. Flip this around, flip this on like this. I do love yeah, this is totally the way it's supposed to go. As someone who's worn the sports bands before, there. And as someone, I also have a very small wrist, as you can see. Can you see my hairy wrist? I do apologize. So the larger watch, I actually don't think it's that much bigger. Because it's not that much bigger. Everyone thinks it's a bigger watch. Yeah, it is technically, it is bigger. Theoretically though, no, they're the same freaking size. So yeah, it's nice. It's booting up, which is good. The Apple Watch setup screen, I'm gonna go through all of that stuff and then I'll slice that back in right after that. But initial unboxing is complete, and first initial thoughts, I like it. I think it looks nice. I really wanted a stainless steel one again, but the price, I was just like, it's not gonna happen. So, oh, and it's saying, please set up your watch. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll come back. I'll record a little wrap up and we'll be golden. So, and it's 1 hour later. Look at that, surprise, surprise. So I've got the watch, it's already set up, which is great. As you can see, it's got some complications on it and stuff. It's nice. I'm loving this thing compared to my Apple Watch Series 0. This thing is crazy fast. Like I'm opening stuff, I'm swiping through stuff, and I'm like opening different things. Like that used to take forever. Like if you were to swipe through a menu and like close something, it would jitter, it would stall. This is great. Like this it feels like a whole different product because it's just like so fast. Everything is so responsive. You're just like, bam, I want to open that. That's open. I want to open alarms. I don't know why I'd want to do that, but there you go. Something like that. It's, yeah, it's nice. I love this. This is really good. The screen is really nice and big, which is great. It makes it nice to just use it with your finger too, like as a touchscreen instead of just using the digital crown. The digital crown is nice though, and it gives you that feedback, which is really cool. It gives you that little haptic feedback when you're scrolling through things, which is fantastic. So yeah, I love it. It's like, I think this thing is gonna work out pretty well. So basically, that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna have, we'll come back in like a week and I'll talk about pretty much like my full thoughts on the entire device after living with it for a full week. But yeah, should be good. Also, I wanna do a comparison video with this and my like original Series 0 and like doing different tasks because it's gonna be like night and day. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, hit up that like button, subscribe, comment, all that other fun stuff. And I'm gonna go and continue playing with the Apple Watch. So see you guys later.